So in this video we will see what happened in the background if we try to compare two string using equal to operator and equals method of object class. So let us create a class in package demo dot string. Let's give name as string demo main. Let us create main method and finish. So we can create string by using literal, and another way is by using new keyword. So if we create a string, we can create a string using literal. str1 is equal to abc. Another way is string str2 is equal to new string, and let's pass string argument abc. So now what is the difference between these two? Whenever we create string using literal, then this string will always get created inside the string constant pool. String constant pool is the area inside heap memory which store literal, that is string literal. And if we try to create a string using this new keyword, it is always get created inside the heap memory like other object get created. Means if we create string using literal, it is get created inside the string constant pool, and if we create a string using new keyword, this object string object is created inside the heap memory. Now if if we try to create another string str2 is equal to abc, so again this string is get created inside the string constant pool. But what happen inside string constant pool, if a string with same content is already available in string constant pool, then it will not create same string again. What happen, this str3 only refers existing string inside the string constant pool, because string abc is already exist in string constant pool. Therefore whenever we try to create same string using another reference str3 in string constant pool using literal, then at that time the JVM will not create same string again inside string constant pool, but it only refer same string inside the string constant pool. But this will not happen in case of using string created using new keyword. If we try to create string using new keyword, then always if we try to create same string abc using new keyword again, then every time new object get created inside the heap memory. Means this str2 and str4 will not refer same string in heap memory. These two objects are different. Now whenever we try to compare string using equal to operator, what happen, we have two options to compare string. We can use equal to operator or equals method. Whenever we try to compare string using equal to operator, this equal to operator always checks references. If references are equal, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So if we try to write system.out.println, and if we try to compare str1 with str2, then what happen, it will return true. Why? Because it will return false. Why? Because this str1 refers abc in string constant pool, which is different reference, different object, and this str2 refer object created in heap memory which is which has different reference. So these two references are different, that's why it will return false. If we save and try to execute, you can see the output is false here. The output is false. Now suppose now if we try to compare reference str1 with str3, this str1 with str3, we know that whenever we try to create string using literal, and if the contents actual string is same, then new string will not get created inside the string constant pool. This str3 and str, whenever you try to create same string, the new string will not created, only the reference will refer existing string in the string constant pool. Means this str3 will refer abc in string constant pool, and this str1 also refer abc, same abc in string constant pool. So references are equal, that's why if we try to execute this program, this statement, it will return true because references are equal. Now if we try to compare these objects using equals method, what happen? So let us try to compare these references using equals method. So str1 dot equals str4. Okay, so str1 and str4, the actual the references refer different these are these refer different string. This str1 refer string in string constant pool, and this str4 refer string in heap memory. So these references are different, but actual content, actual string are equal. So str1 points a string which string object which contains abc value, and this value of str4 object is also abc, so it will return true because equals method always checks actual content and not the references. So the content of str1 and str4 are equal, that's why it will return true here. If we try to execute this statement, it will return true. Now if we compare any reference 1 with 3 or 2 with anyone, all the references refer same content, therefore the equals method always return true here. But now suppose we have another object, that is a string buffer sb is equal to new string buffer, and let's pass argument as abc. Now if we try to compare this str1 with sb, then what happen? Actually this equals method not only checks the actual content but also checks instances. Means this instance sb, whether this instance str1 and instance sb are of same type or not. Here instance sb is of type string buffer and instance str1 is of type string, so these two instances are not of the same type, and that's why it, even though the content of abc content of instance sb and instance str or reference ab and reference str are equal, but as they are not of same type, it will return false here, because even though the content is same, but the instance sb of type string buffer and instance str1 is of type string, the instances are not of same type, that's why it will return false. If we save the program and execute, here you can see it returns false because instances are not of the same type. That's it. Thank you.